Hello, this is Dr. Adam Kopsky from Advanced Rehab and Medical, and I'm going to go over a simple exercise that you can do at home for the topic we did last week. So if you missed that topic, please be sure to tune into these videos each week. And what we had, it was on low back pain, but specifically a spondylolisthesis causing low back pain, which just means the vertebra slip forward. So one thing when that happens, we want to make sure we stabilize the core and even the glute muscles to make sure that we stabilize those muscles so that vertebra doesn't have a tendency of moving forward. So one thing I want to demo here is called a glute bridge. And so what you can do at home is just lay on your back on a hard surface. We got our table here, but just lay on back and bring your knees up on the table, keep them flat. And all you want to do is contract your butt muscles. And so we're just going to come up as high as you can, hold it for a second or two, and then go back down. So once again, we're going to go up, 1, 2, and back down, and then 1, 2, and back down. So try to do 3 sets of 10 of that twice a day, and that will just enhance that stability, and you may notice your back pain, if that is causing it, get better. So we want to make sure we stabilize that. There's also more advanced maneuvers, but that is a great beginning point. If you guys have any questions or want additional exercises on what we do that can actually help that further, please be sure to comment in the video below, and as always, ask questions, and I hope you guys have a great weekend ahead. Thank you.